Hey, this is Brad Buckner, and I'm out here in the woods today, and I want to show you a pretty cool knife, and it's made by Hydra. And it's a stainless steel knife. It's about 7 inches long. It's got some tools and stuff with it. It's got a really good, nice sheath there to it. You pull that out. It is made so it can be a neck knife. Okay, reach up there like that. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Yeah, it's stuck. And so let's see. It feels really sharp. It's about at the very back. It's 1/4 inch. It's about 1 inch wide. It's hollow ground, and then secondary bevel, hollow ground on the back. So it's going to be a pretty good sharp knife. That's cool. And Hydra. Okay, Hydra. All right, Hydra knives, and I think it's a pretty cool knife. So let's set that down there, and let's see what we always do with the Denver magazine. A little moisture in the air. There is snow on the ground, and the paper probably gets a little bit moist, but let's see. And I've actually been carving on the wood with it, so let's see. Oh my, that's pretty good. So if you're out in the woods and you're hunting, hiking, camping, fishing, and you need something to sharpen your Hydra knife with, well, we might pull this one out, and that's called the 4-in-1 tool. It's got the straight line open face carbide. It's got the V-notch carbide. It's also got a bottle opener back here, and it's also got the fire starter in there. So all you got to do is take the hard straight line carbide corner, put it on the ferrocerium rod, put your finger under the rod, put a little pressure on it on the corner, and give it a spark. So that's pretty cool. Make your campfires. I cheat and I use a little hand sanitizer to make my campfires. So if I was going to sharpen this knife, this is what I do, and I hope you can see okay, because it seems like we got a bunch of shade here. So just slide it down the blade like this, match the bevel, watch it shine. When the shine is all the way across that little bevel, which is around 10 degrees, then you know you're matching the bevel with the sharpener. And slide it right on out like that. Do the same thing back here, right on out to the point, right like that. Slide it back this way, out that way, and just like this. Little tune-ups frequently. Never let your knife get dull. That way, every time you take your knife out of the sheath, out of your pocket, whatever you're doing, the knife is sharp. Now we just brush light. Excellent combination for the knife. It's a Buzzard is the actual name of it, and it's called a Hydra Buzzard. All right, so let's put that in the pocket here for a little bit. Oh my God, that bites. And it bit before, but you know, if you can make them cut like that. And here's the thing, if it was sharp before, and obviously it was because I used it, it wasn't quite that sharp. But if you take a piece of tungsten carbide and you actually go through the motions as if you really truly are sharpening, you're removing a minute amount of steel off of the blade. So if I wasn't doing any good, I would actually be dulling the blade. The blade is obviously not duller. I don't have to play that game, okay? And clear out to the tip like that, okay? That's pretty darn good. So